Hello Stellar friends, it's Amber here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be learning how to play Sail Away by David Gray. And honestly, it's one of those songs that once you start learning to play it, you don't want to stop. So you know the drill by now, grab your guitar, make sure you're tuned up and let's get started. So we've zoomed in to take a closer look at the chords in the song. We've got quite a few chords to get through. Before we start, just make sure your capo is on the 3rd fret of the guitar. This just means we're going to be in the same key as the original track. So the first chord that you're going to need is an A minor chord. Next up, we have an A sus4. Now in the song particularly, we are going to be changing from A minor to A sus4. So the easiest way to get to an A sus4 is to just add your pinky into the 3rd fret on the B string. And it's going to cancel out the first finger. Okay, so we have A minor to A sus4. I mean, traditionally an A sus4, I would usually play it like that, using fingers 1, 2, and 4. But that would just be really silly because you'd constantly have to be moving and it's not going to work in the song. So this is where you got to use your intuition and just choose what's going to be the easiest. Okay, so our A minor to our A sus4, we just add our pinky. We're also going to need a C major, E minor. We're also going to need an E minor 7 chord. So an easy option here is you're just going to play with your 2nd finger lifted up off the E minor, and we're just squeezing down our A string in the 2nd fret. This is a perfectly adequate E minor 7. However, in the lesson, I will be playing the E minor 7 with a slightly different voicing. I'm going to keep my 1st and 2nd fingers down, and I'm going to add my pinky into the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, and that's going to give us the note D, which is the 7th degree in an E scale. So this is our E minor with a 7. Okay, that's why it would also work if you just lifted your finger off, because then you'll be playing your D an octave lower. Also an E minor 7, just with a different voicing. We just needed the D. So we either have it in the bass or we have it in the treble. We're also going to need a G major. We have a G7 chord. Right. Bit of a stretched out version of a C chord. We just take our 1st finger, place it into the 1st fret on the high E string, and then our 2nd and 3rd fingers go 2nd fret, 2nd finger, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. We also need an F major chord. Now, of course, the bar chord springs to mind, but in this song, I'm going to be playing a mini bar using 1st finger just over the B and E string and just adding my 2nd and 3rd fingers. Okay, and from here, we have a D minor as well. So let's take a look at the intro of the song. We have 2 chords. We have an A minor and we have an A sus4. Okay, so the A sus4, we're just adding that pinky into the 3rd fret on the B string. And we're going to alternate back and forth between these 2 chords, A minor to the A sus4. And that's going to get repeated 4 times. Okay, now the strumming pattern, it's syncopated, it is a little bit tricky, but once you feel the groove, hopefully it will settle in really nicely. So it's going to sound like this: down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's the entire pattern. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And you're even going to give it a little bit of a swing. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And we're going to count the pattern. 1, 2, and a, E and 4, E and a. 1, 2, and a, E and 4, E and a. Okay, so what's going to happen next is that strumming pattern is actually going to be split over the A minor and the A sus4. Okay, so they're going to share those 4 counts of the strumming pattern. The A minor is going to get down, down, down. Those 3 downs. 1, 2, and. The up strum, we're going to change to the A sus4. Up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, in total. That's 1 round. Down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Just looping it back and forth. Alright, so spend some time on that strumming pattern, okay? It is a bit more difficult because it's being split over 2 chords. And you're going to see how on the rest of the song, sometimes a chord will get the whole strumming pattern, and other times that strumming pattern is going to be split over 2 chords, just like we've just learned in the intro. So you're going to have to be able to do both. So we're starting quite in the deep end here with the strumming pattern that's syncopated, and it needs to be split over 2 chords. But once you can do that, the rest of the song should be pretty straightforward and easy breezy. So we're going to move on to looking at the verse next. The chords will be up on the screen. We have a C major, and we have an E minor to an E minor 7. Okay, and you'll notice that that E minor and E minor 7 are between brackets, so we know what we need to do here. They're going to share the strumming pattern. But the C major is going to get the whole strumming pattern all to itself. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to sound. So from the C, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Now we change to the E minor, E minor 7. Okay, and that line of chords gets repeated 3 times. So let's try that together from the C. 2, 3, and. E minor, E minor 7, back to the C. E minor, down, 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 up, down, down, up. One more time. E minor, E minor 7. All right, and the last 2 chords in the verse, we have A minor to G. And they're standing alone, there's no brackets, so each chord gets the full pattern. G. Okay, so if I just put that into context for you with some singing, let's take it from the C chord, 2, 3, 4, C. Crazy skies are wild above me now. C. Winter howling at my face. C again. And everything I held so dear. A minor. Disappeared without the G chord. Down, up, down, down, up. Right, and every single verse is going to have the same chord sequence and it's going to follow the same structure with that strumming pattern. Now, just something to take note of, there is a verse or 2 in the song that is going to have 2 extra chords tacked on at the end. So those 2 chords we have are an F and our D minor. Okay, so the F chord will get a full round of the pattern. Down, 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 up, down, down, up. And the D minor is going to get 1 down strum. Okay, and we're going to kind of hang there in limbo for 4 beats, which is going to build up that suspense when it leads us back into the chorus again. Right, so speaking of the chorus, let's go and check out the chords we are going to be playing there. There are also quite a lot. It's a pretty long chord sequence. There isn't really any repetition. So luckily the chords will be up on the screen for you to help you. And let's have a look. So we have an A minor first, to E minor, to A minor, F to D minor. Okay, So the first 3 chords gets the full pattern. The F and the D minor share that strumming pattern. So let's give that first line of chords a try. 2, 3, and down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, A minor, F to the D minor, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, second line of chords, we have A minor and C between brackets. We have F and D minor again between brackets. We're going to split that pattern in half. Okay, so far so good, I hope. The last line of chords, we have F for a full strumming pattern. And then G7 to D minor sharing. And we have a nice pivot finger there, the G7. Okay, our first finger is where it needs to be when we change to the D minor. So use that as a crutch, I guess, a helping hand, a helping finger to get from that G7. Because all we're really doing is just taking those second and third finger and we're just moving them to create the D minor. So we've covered the main sections of the song. We have that intro, which by the way also gets played as an outro at the end. We've done the verses and we've done the chorus. So now that we've learned all the different parts, this is where the fun really begins. We're going to be doing a full playthrough of the song coming up next. So make sure your guitar is ready. You've got your capper on the 3rd fret and let's go and have some fun. Here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Sail away with me, honey. I put my heart in your hands. Sail away with me, honey, now, now. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now, now. Crazy skies are wild above me now. Winter howling at my face, and everything I held so dear disappeared without a trace of all the times I tasted love. Never knew quite what I had. Little darling, if you hear me now, never needed you so bad. Spinning round inside my head. Sail away with me, honey. I put my heart in your hands. Sail away with me, honey, now, now, now. Sail away with me. What will be, will be. I wanna hold you now, now, now. I've been talking drunken gibberish, falling in and out of bars, trying to get some explanation here for the way some people are. How did it ever come so far? Sail away with me, honey. I put my heart in your hands. Sail away with me, honey, So there you go, everyone. That is how you play Sail Away on the guitar. Really hope you enjoyed the lesson. It's a really fun song to play. If you did enjoy this one, then why not check out the song being suggested to you on the screen. And if you haven't done so yet, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Have a great day. Bye.